Today, the passage that we are going to look at is a poem. So we're going to use our strategies to find the elements of the poem and to answer the question and to read the poem. So first, like any other passage, we need to underline the title. Next, we need to look at our passage, and it does not have paragraphs because it's a poem. Instead, it has something called stanzas, and those are groups of lines. And here, it tells us the number is 5, and that means the 5th line. So it numbered the beginning of the stanza, and we can number the lines too. So above it, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we can circle that. Only do this for poems. Then we have 6, 7, 8. So it numbered the lines in the stanzas. Now that we underlined the title and numbered or circled the lines of our poem, we need to walk through the question. What repeated words in the poem help the reader picture a merry-go-round? So we are looking for repeated words. That's important, so I'm underlining it to picture a merry-go-round. So now we know our question is asking for us to look for repeated words about a merry-go-round. So now we need to look at our poem and read it. It says, "The merry-go-round. My purple horse goes round and round, and I'm having lots of fun, but I'd like to ride him up that hill, off toward the summer sun. My purple horse goes up and down, but his feet can't touch the ground, so we'll ride the path that he knows best, round and round and round." Now let's take a closer look and use our strategies to help us answer the question. So let's look at the question again. What repeated words in the poem help the reader picture a merry-go-round? So what word is repeated in the first line? My purple horse goes round and round. So the words round and round repeat 2 times. What word is repeated in the last line? Well, the word round is repeated again in the very last line. So how does a merry-go-round move? Well, it's in the name. It goes round and round. So we will answer the question by saying round and round repeat in our poem. And where did we find the answer to that question? We found it in line 1 and line 8. So when we answer passages in poems, we need to find our evidence, underline it, and then we need to put that proof in our answer. And you can put the paragraph number or the line if it's a poem.